Alright, so we are still on tools and we're still on math channels. I just wanted to show you guys mass airflow sensors really quick because that's normally another application for a math channel. Now there's multiple different ways to measure a mass airflow sensor. You can back probe the signal itself, which will be generated as a frequency. And when you do, they're really kind of noisy. You can see all the spikes on that blue channel. If you clean them up a little bit, they look a little better. Another way to do that, if you look at this goldenrod mustard colored trace here, channel D, you'll notice that it's measuring in amps. I'm actually just measuring the amperage that the sensor is consuming, and I have zoomed in. I've done my scaling times 5. Blue trace is times 1, channel D is times 5, and if I slide them over each other, they look pretty close. They look really close. So if you don't know which wire is the mass airflow sensor output in digital frequency, you can always just put an amp clamp around the big red wire that goes to the mass airflow sensor, the power wire in, and now you know what it is just by looking at the amperage. Another way to do this is you can take the frequency itself. See, it's pretty fast, but we're going to convert that. We're going to do a math channel. So we go Tools, Math Channel, and I'll create a new one. I've got a few of these, so I'll try not to mix it up. I'm going to go to Advanced, and what I want to measure is the frequency of B. Yep, and yeah, black's a good color for me. And we'll hit next. Sometimes when you're doing these, you have to override the automatic range and put in your own range. We'll get to that a little bit later because that's pretty complicated. The uses for it are complicated, not so much actually doing it. We're going to hit finish. We're going to make sure that we've turned it on. See, there's one that's already there that I've already turned off. Well, frequency B, number 4. All right. Now we've got another side margin popped up. And it's a little chunky. It's got some, I don't know, what is that, Minecraft look to it. But it is a mass airflow sensor signal. And that's normally how they look. You want them to have that little nose to it where it spikes up and then kind of drops down and then comes back on.